10 ways to cut calories. Let us first list the 10 ways to cut calories on your diet before we briefly explain each. 1. Use fruit purees instead of butter. 2. Eat cheese but get rid of the fat. 3. Don't exercise before meals. 4. Eating in front of the TV is bad for you. 5. Always have a breakfast. 6. Fructose is better than glucose. 7. Bad fats are not good for you. 8. Use skim milk rather than whole. 9. Don't have more than 4 egg yolks a week. 10. Before cooking, trim all the fat from meat. Number 1. Substitute fruit purees instead of butter. If when eating mashed potatoes, adding fruit puree instead of butter will cut down the calories and give your mashed potatoes a different but pleasant flavor. Number 2. Eat cheese but discard the fat. Cheese is good for you, it's full of calcium. But it is also full of fat. Get rid of the fat by putting the cheese into the microwave for about 10 seconds, then drain off the fat and grease. Be careful not to leave it in the microwave too long, unless you want Welsh rarebit. Or alternatively, you could buy a cheese that has less fat in it. Number 3. Don't exercise before meals. If you exercise before meals, you are just making yourself hungrier as you are burning the fat. So to satiate your hunger, you will eat more. A better idea is to exercise after eating. Then your body has to work harder to digest the food. Warning: don't exercise immediately after a meal, or you will make yourself sick. Exercise an hour after eating. Number 4. Eating while watching the TV is bad for you. You can so easily overeat. The program you are watching may be so exciting and you are engrossed in it, you won't be aware of what you are eating. Number 5. Always eat a breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. The word breakfast equals break fast. You probably have had nothing to eat since supper the night before. So you are breaking the fast. Your body will burn more calories if you eat breakfast. Number 6. Fructose is better than glucose. Drinking water with fructose, fruit juices, rather than glucose, will act as an appetite suppressant. Drinking a glass of orange juice an hour before eating will take the edge off your appetite. Number 7. Bad fats are not good for you. Bad fats are trans fatty acids. Many margarines are trans fat. Butter is not. When cooking, use cooking oil instead. Read the labels on the food you buy. If you see the words hydrogenated oils, run a mile, as this means it contains trans fatty acids. As a bonus, running that mile will use up some calories. Number 8. Use skim milk rather than whole. Drinking whole milk means you are drinking the cream, and this of course is extra calories. Switching to skim milk will still give you all the goodness of milk, without the fat. Number 9. Don't have more than 4 egg yolks a week. Do you remember the advert on TV, go to work on an egg? Personally, I think you'd be more comfortable on the bus, but there is no accounting for taste. Seriously, the white of an egg, the albumin, is full of the wrong kinds of fat. So better to have the yellow part of the egg, the yolk, and then only a maximum of 4 times a week. Number 10. Before cooking, trim all the fat from the meat. If you love your meat, by trimming all the fat off it before cooking will cut down your calories intake dramatically. Or alternatively, eat skinless chicken or fish. Thank you for watching.